So today I wanted to talk about communication. Good communication can help get you through a deal. Bad communication can kill a deal. My favorite communication skill is one that I didn't learn until I was in real estate, and that is the skill of writing a sarcastic email. So today I have 8 commonly used phrases to write a good sarcastic email. Number 1, just checking in. This could mean that I'm just checking in. We haven't spoken in a little while. What it probably means is that you haven't answered my last 8 emails and I'm checking in to make sure you're not dead. Number 2, as stated below. This could mean that I attached something new to the email, and look below and you'll find it. What it most likely means is that you need to read the entire email, not just the top 2 lines. There are things attached below. That's how emails work. Your stupid question has been answered already. Number 3, it has been brought to my attention. What this could mean is that we just got some new information and it's going to help us all out, and I want you to know too. What it most likely means is that you messed something up, I just found out about it, and I want you to know that I also know. Number 4, moving forward. This could mean that we're finally done dealing with a problem and we can move forward to the next. What it most likely means is that you need to stop wasting time on something that means nothing. It's time to move forward. Did I say number 6? This is number 5. Number 5, I see your point. I wonder if they were, what? No. I see your point. What this could mean is that you just came up with a really good point and I'm giving you credit. What it most likely means is that I don't care. This is number 6. Sorry for being unclear. What this could mean is that my last email wasn't worded properly and I'm apologizing. What it most likely means is that my last email wasn't unclear. Obviously, you didn't read everything that I wrote or try to understand it. Next time, pay better attention. Number 7, hope this helps. What this could mean is that I just got us, again, some new information that helps, or something you asked for. I hope that this helps. What it probably means is that I want you to stop bothering me now with something that you should be doing on your own. Do your job. Number 8, let me clarify. What this could mean is that I understand this, you may not understand it completely, so let me try and help. What it most likely means is that you understood my last very clear email. And number 9, which is my favorite, is kind regards. What this could mean is that I'm wishing you kind regards and I want you to have a good day. What it most likely means